What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your man, Damon. And oh yes, it went down today in the market. Oh man, we made some money with PZZA today. Papa John's, it was up over 4% today. Oh man, it was a beautiful sight to see, especially when the overall market really wasn't up that high. And as I told y'all before, I love those kind of days when my stocks are making money and the overall market is kind of flat, because I get to identify and find other opportunities where I can invest. And today, I found another opportunity. I'm going to tell you more about it, as we go along. But yeah, we found another opportunity and another position where we can add to the portfolio. But let's go through the numbers. Stick around for a little bit. Let's see how we did today. Okay, family. This is the first day back in the market after President's Day. And we see the total account value as of today, $10,161.44. Hey, today was a good day. Today, we had an increase in market value of $342.72. That's 3.49% gain. Hey, that's that elusive $300 a day that a lot of people try to shoot for. Hey, we did that today with Papa John's, okay? Year-to-date change, we are up 25.9%. So over $2,090 that we've made in Papa John's so far. And yeah, family, you know how I like to do. Let's scroll down so we can see the details. Now, I did make some changes to the portfolio today. Again, this is an employee-sponsored PCRA trust with Charles Schwab. If this is your first time watching my videos, this is one of my employee-sponsored plans that I have. Again, we are invested in Papa John's. PZZA is the ticker symbol. And as of today, we own 129 shares. Now, if you do recall, if you've seen my previous video, I did own 200 shares of Papa John's, but today I sold 71 shares, took some profit off the table because I wanted to make another play, and I will tell you guys about that. But the price for Papa John's today is $51.08. That represents a price change of $2.04 per share. So after I made my sale and took some profit in Papa John's, my market value is $6,589.32. They adjusted my cost basis to $52.35.27. Total gain of $13.54.05 is the total gain. But like I said, I took some profit from Papa John's today, so it's showing a cash value of $35.72.12. And tomorrow, I'm going to be using that $35.72.12, or once the cash settles, but I'm going to be using that to add another position to the portfolio just to diversify a little bit and add something else to the portfolio. Yeah, family, so that is how we did today with Papa John's. And I'm excited about adding a new position to the portfolio tomorrow, as long as the cash settles from that from the sale of some of my Papa John's stock. I'm going to be adding Sale Point to the portfolio. That is ticker symbol SAIL. Now, Sale Point is a software company. They offer enterprise solutions to a lot of your major corporations that used to be public but was taken private by a private equity firm. And now the company has been brought back to the public again. It just IPO'd last week. And I saw when it IPO'd, but at the time, I didn't make a purchase of any other stock, but I have been looking for an IPO to purchase. But at the time, Papa John's had ran up like 30%, and I kind of just took my eyes off of the Sale Point IPO. But then a couple days ago, actually on Friday, I noticed that the stock was up maybe like 20%, 25% or something like that. And then it brought my attention back to the Sale Point stock. So tomorrow, as long as I can, I'm going to be buying some Sale Point stock and adding that to the portfolio. I have been wanting to add an IPO for a very long time. We haven't had one come out in a while. In fact, the last IPO that I remember that I wanted to invest in was Reddit. in some kind of way, I missed out on Reddit, and we know what's going on with Reddit. I mean, the stock ran up 400%. It's kind of come down a little bit because of their last earnings report, but Reddit has had a wild run since it IPO last year. But we're going to invest in the SailPoint IPO. We're not going to miss this one. We are going to ride this train, and we're going to hold it for the long term. You know, SailPoint is making some money. I believe SailPoint is going to go through the roof. And if you think I'm going to miss out on that train, player, if you think y'all going to make all that new money and not include me, it is not about to happen. I want in, like Duct Tape Entertainment used to say back in the days. I want some of that IPO so I can hold it for the long term. We're not going to miss the opportunity like we did with Meta, okay? Back in the days, I bought Meta stock when it was still known as Facebook, before they changed to Meta. And I remember when they first IPO'd, the stock I bought, I was able to get the stock for less than $20 a share, and we see what Meta is today. The stock is over $700 a share. I'm telling you, folks, it was when you miss opportunities like that, that's what changes your investment strategy. When you get sick and tired of missing out on investment opportunities like that, that's what helps to shape and change your investment strategy from short-term gains to long-term investing, because you want to get those big gains. I'm telling you, from $20 to $700 a share, that's a huge gain. You will never experience those type of results day trading in and out of a stock all the time. No, we are buying and we are holding. So SailPoint is used by a lot of your major companies, a lot of Fortune 500 companies. My employer uses SailPoint software as well, so that's why I'm a little bit more familiar with their company. But with that in mind, I mean, that's something that I want to share to you guys as well. Like, you know, a lot of the companies that you work for, they do business with companies that are publicly traded. And so that's a place where you can find investment opportunities as well. Like, for instance, my employer, they do business with SailPoint and they do business with ServiceNow. Both of them are publicly traded companies that I can buy stock in. So, you know, when you are looking for opportunities for investment, sometimes it's just as simple as, who does your employer do business with? And you may find a publicly traded company, a stock that you can buy and hold within your portfolio. Now it's time for story time. And guys, I want to tell you guys something that happened today that was very, very awesome. And it really kind of, you know, let me know that I was on the right track with what I was doing. But a person who is a day trader told me that I need to keep going and keep spreading the message of what I'm saying, because day traders need to hear the message that I am saying. They need this message. And I'm telling you, there's nothing wrong with being a day trader. If you day trade and you're good at it, then that's up to you. But what I find is most people who day trade, in fact, 97%, those are the statistics. You cannot fake the numbers. You cannot fraud the numbers. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't. The numbers show that 97% of day traders lose money day trading, okay? So a lot of you guys out there, it's not that I don't like you or anything like that. I just don't like the statistics. And so I have found that the best way to invest is long-term investing over time. That's the best opportunity and the best way that you have to make money, especially in a market like this in 2025. So yeah, that story just really touched my heart, really motivated me, really pumped me up to continue to bring this content to you guys, to continue to show you guys the value of buying and holding, to continue to show you guys the value of investing for the long term. That is the game. It's a long game. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Like Nipsey Hussle said, it's a marathon. It is not a sprint. And when you take the stairs rather than always trying to get a quick gain, that's when you really get the best returns inside of your portfolio. Yeah, so I want to thank you guys for your support. We are up to 32 subscribers and we have over 1,000 views on the video so far. Thanks to you. It really warms my heart for people to tune in and tap into what I'm doing here on this channel. If this is your first time viewing this channel, I would appreciate it if you would hit me with a like, a share, a subscribe, even leave a comment below. If you are already a part of the family, You know how it is with us. Thank you for stopping by and see me again. I'll holler at you next time. Take care.